Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set shift breaks in Zoho People. All right, so first up, what you'll do is just go ahead over to settings right here at the top right. Make sure that you're an admin, okay? Click on it, and once done, just go ahead over to attendance, okay? Click on it, and then just go ahead over to the configuration tab. And once you're in here, go ahead and click on break, okay, in this panel. Click on it. And once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in your own break. If not, as you can see here, I already made one. So what I'm going to do is just click on it and let's configure it. Okay. Now in here, just make sure to turn the break mode to automatic. Again, automatic. Now just go ahead and set the start and end times for the break. And once that's done, you're good to go. Just go ahead and click on save right here. And the system will now automatically deduct this time as a break from the total hours worked. All right. And there you have it. That is how you set to shift breaks in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.